It's Market Update Monday. Today I'll be giving you the latest real estate data ending May 27th. While COVID-19 has affected local real estate activity during the statewide shutdown, I'll show you just how resilient the market has been. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Eldon Guerrero, and I'm an agent with Windermere Real Estate serving the greater Seattle and Eastside markets. So the number of pending King County home sales this past week actually exceeded last week's weekly figure. So that's good news for sure. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. I'm going to share a screen here really quick. That's awesome. Let's break down what those numbers actually mean. Let me find the set of numbers. Here you go. So what do those numbers actually mean? So let's break down that video. So the number of new pending sales in the last 7 days exceeded the same week in the prior year. The number of King County pending sales has increased for the last 9 weeks. Let me break this down. So I cover the greater Seattle and Eastside markets. King County is the largest county in Washington right now, but let's break it down so you know exactly what I'm talking about here. So this will give you a trend from the beginning of the year to last week. The national emergency was declared March 13th, this red line right here. And we saw activity go down, of course, right after. The stay-at-home order was placed on March 25th, right here, this line. But you can see that ever since, we've trended upwards in terms of pending sales. And last week, specifically, we exceeded last year's numbers in the east side. Let's go to King County. You'll see a similar trend. Again, the national emergency was declared on the 13th of March. This red line here. We saw that dip. The stay order was placed on March 25th again here in Washington. We saw that big drop. And then ever since, though, we've seen a steady increase of pending sales. And then last week in King County, we actually exceeded those year-over-year numbers. I'm going to go down specifically to Seattle here in just a moment. But again, that's great news, right? We need inventory. Inventory is down over 40%, and sales are equal versus a year ago. Excuse me, stuttering for a second there. So inventory is down over 40%, and sales are equal to a year ago, if not higher. The bottom line is the month supply of inventory is low enough to make multiple offers commonplace, assuming that the home is prepared properly and priced and promoted well. Let me show you more data. Go here and see if we can blow this up here. So for Seattle, Seattle's month supply of inventory right here is 0 months, down 53% from a year ago, which was 1.9 months available inventory. Again, and what that means, available inventory, means that if no new listings come on board, all inventory will sell out in X number of months. So in our case here in Seattle, everything will sell out if no new listings come in less than 1 month. The same can be said for the east side. Let me go to the next slide here. I can get it to work. There we go. See if I can blow this up here. Again, so the east side is at 1 month of available inventory. That's all MLS areas within the east side. The east side is at 1 month of available inventory, down 50% from a year ago, which was at 2. You can see in each of these areas, down 44%, 45%, 44%, et cetera, et cetera. Significant, right? Let's see if I could go to the next one here. And then there we go, King County. King County is 0.9 months of available inventory, again, down 40% from a year ago. Significant numbers there. So let me just stop this so we can get on the same page. So what's the bottom line? Again, during Memorial Day, under the stay order, had less impact actually than Memorial Day with no stay order. Connect with me if you want to see how your neighborhood is trending. Again, I want to pass on really the good news that we are trending upwards and back to better than normal, really, currently in terms of the market. We'll see what happens during when we get Memorial Day numbers, but I expect it to be somewhere between 80 and 100% of what it was like last year again. So stay tuned for the next update. Hit that notification and comment if you have any questions or concerns, whatever you're seeing out in your market. But I'm happy to spread the knowledge. For all your real estate needs, you know what to do. Go with Eldon. Stay home, stay healthy, and hope to see you around the neighborhood soon. Take care.